Here we have a Spartus electric alarm clock with wood grain. This one is from the late 1980s, I want to say so. That's the front of it. You have your snooze, hour, minute, run, set, off, and on for alarm. The name's Spartus. Operating instructions. Made in the USA. On the back here we have your little compartment for your battery backup, so if the power goes out you don't have to reset it. So let's plug it in. Alright, so it's working. So here's how you set the time. Just push this up until it gets to your desired time, which is 7:25 currently. Alright, 7, then push down to minute until it gets to 25, well, 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. And the time is set with your PM dial on. Alright, thank you for watching.